Nepal's been taking hit after hit lately, with natural disasters piling on one after another. It's like the country can't catch a break. On April 4th, heavy rain turned Hanging Rock Hill Falls into a raging roadside waterfall, spilling straight onto the pavement. Drivers had no choice but to reroute or risk a very wet detour.
I mean, that's insane. That literally would push a car right down the street. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Remind me not to go this way.
We tend to forget how fierce nature can be until a monstrous flood peak crashes down a waterfall, roaring with unstoppable force. It's overwhelming, raw, and impossible to ignore. Out of nowhere, a massive boulder broke free on the slopes of Changai Mountain, thundering downhill and turning the peaceful landscape into a dangerous obstacle course. It was the kind of moment that makes your heart skip. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Oh no! Watch out! A total nightmare caught on camera. Within seconds, a tornado ripped through, tearing off a canopy and shredding signs like paper in the wind. Blink, and it was already gone. What seemed like a solid cliff gave way in an instant, sending dirt tumbling into a parking lot below. Thankfully, a nearby camera caught the whole dramatic collapse, because no one would have believed it otherwise.
Holy sugar!
Whoa! Not just one, but a whole barrage of lightning bolts ripped through the Greek sky, lighting it up like a war zone. The cameraman actually had to step back. It was that intense. Visitors at Timan were enjoying the view when they spotted a tiny white-tailed fawn wading through the water. It looked adorable. Until they realized it was heading straight for a 50-foot drop. The mood flipped from awe to oh no in seconds.
Where'd he go? I can't believe it. Oh my god. How did he make it?
Around 800,000 cubic meters of land shifted during this massive landslide. That's enough dirt to fill over 320 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Thankfully, quick-thinking locals spotted the road above their village starting to bulge, and their warning helped everyone evacuate just in time. On what should have been a relaxing day at Tiger Woods-designed Paynes Valley Golf Club, Mother Nature had other plans. Just as the group was about to tee off, a tornado began swirling over the treetops. No sirens, just sheer shock. Instead of fleeing, they kept filming, knowing a bridge off camera was their backup plan. Wild choice.
Holy shit, what the fuck? There's no sirens.
These tourists found themselves in a tense moment, but luckily their guide kept his cool and knew exactly what to do. With a calm, "Steady, my boy, steady," he diffused the situation like a pro.
Steady, my boy. Steady. Steady. Hey! Come on! That's enough. That's enough. This is a Donald, guys. That's enough, my boy. That's enough. Steady. Steady. Steady, my boy. Steady. Take it easy. It's me. Be like me. Come in here. Come in here. 아이, 我操！哦，飞鱼！
Just like close your eyes for the next. Holy! Oh my God!
These mesmerizing wave-like motions are actually a honeybee defense tactic against their deadly enemy, the wasp. By bouncing their abdomens in perfect sync, like fans doing the wave at a stadium, the bees create a shimmering effect that disorients the wasp until it gives up and flies off. Clever, coordinated, and totally badass. On May 17, 2017, a tornado touched down just outside Teca in the state of Mexico, also known as Edomex. A local man spotted it forming in the distance and instinctively pulled out his phone, capturing the moment nature spun into motion. If these wild natural moments made your jaw drop, don't forget to like the video and share it with fellow nature lovers. There's always more awe-inspiring footage where that came from. Stay tuned and stay amazed.